Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a downloadable file to Wix. So let's go to Wix first. Wix editor page. You can see here a text. All you have to just select the text you want to edit and click on edit text. Now you have to click on link, this one, and choose documents. Now choose files from your computer. Click on choose files, and then you'll find here this interface. You have to click on my board, upload media, upload from computer. Now you have to choose either a PDF file or a zip file. Without these two files, other file will not be downloaded or will not be here. Okay, now you have to click on this zip file and click on open. Okay, you can see here it has been down. Add to page, click on add to page. Now click on done and then click on save. Now let's check this out. Click to preview. Scroll down and you'll find here, click here to download. Click on this and you can see that your file has been downloaded here. Okay, so this is how you can downloadable file in Wix, or you can add downloadable file to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.